Hey there, money movers. Welcome to our guide on how to transfer money overseas with TorFX in 2025. If you're planning to send funds across borders for family, business, or travel, TorFX is a top-notch platform that's secure, efficient, and packed with features. By 2025, TorFX has upgraded its system with AI-driven exchange rates and faster processing times, making international transfers easier than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign up for a TorFX account. Head to their website or app, click on Register, and fill in your details like email, password, and personal information. It's quick and straightforward. Think of it as setting up your favorite streaming service. Once you're logged in, the next step is verifying your identity. This is crucial for security, so upload a government-issued ID and proof of address. TorFX uses advanced 2025 tech to verify you in minutes, keeping everything encrypted and safe from cyber threats. Now, select your transfer options. Choose the currencies involved, enter the amount you want to send, and pick the delivery method, whether it's to a bank account, mobile wallet, or cash pickup. TorFX's intuitive interface even shows real-time exchange rates, helping you avoid surprises. Double-check the recipient's details to ensure accuracy. Enter their name, bank info, and any required SWIFT or IBAN codes. Before confirming, review fees and estimated arrival time. TorFX often offers competitive rates with no hidden charges. Hit that Confirm button, and you're good to go. You'll get a confirmation email and can track your transfer in real time through the app. Pro tip: for the best deals, transfer during off-peak hours or use TorFX's rate alerts. In conclusion, transferring money overseas with TorFX in 2025 is simple, secure, and cost-effective. Whether you're a first-timer or a pro, this method saves time and money. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Safe transferring.